The clients approached us after spending over 10 years living and working in Luxembourg. The home that they had left behind in Australia no longer suited their needs. It was their family home and it had previously accommodated their 3 children who have all since left home. They have since retired and the house no longer suited their needs. Initial discussions with the clients included the possibility of demolishing and building a new home, or even potentially subdividing the land and building 2 homes. However, after careful consideration, we agreed that a renovation and extension would be the most effective and appropriate approach. The house is located in Point Lonsdale, Victoria. It is a coastal town located on the Bellarine Peninsula, about an hour and a half south of Melbourne. The existing house was a 1980s project home with no real relationship to the site or broader context. The clients wanted to improve the presentation and flow of the house, but more importantly, they wanted to improve their master bedroom, which was tired and dysfunctional. We scrutinised the existing floor plan alongside their modest budget and decided that the best course of action was to retain the kids' bedroom wing to the west and the garage to the east and focus on repairing the central living area and adding a master bedroom wing. The existing entry to the house was convoluted and confusing. We reworked the entry and relocated it to be facing the street. What was once a journey down the side of the home is now accessed through what was originally their main bedroom. A new mudroom is accessed from the garage. By definition, the new addition, which measures only 40 square metres in area, is a quintessential lean-to addition, sleeving under the existing fascia and gutter of the existing house. It is accessed through what was originally a window opening, avoiding the need for additional structural elements. The addition provides a significantly improved master bedroom suite, which was designed to take in views of their adjacent well-established garden. The project also involved an extensive reconfiguration to the house's internal living, kitchen and dining spaces. The form of the addition was inspired by the form of the existing dwelling and its gable roof, and also the unusual shape of the block. Being a block at the end of a court, it is not a standard square or rectangular shape, which allowed for a building footprint that was both unusual and engaging. The untouched bedrooms wing to the west allows extended family to visit on occasions, but also be closed off completely when no one is visiting. The materials chosen for Point Lonsdale House were selected to blend seamlessly into the surrounding environment. The new addition is clad in a spotted gum rain screen, which serves 2 purposes. It allowed for an operable screen to the ensuite, which allows the client to control the level of privacy, and also provides shading to the building envelope, which is particularly useful on hot summer afternoons, given the new master bedroom suite faces directly west. The connection to the garden is a critical element in the design of the addition. A landscape design by TNLA was developed prior to the commencement of the building works. The large native eucalypt trees were planted 6 months prior to the building works commencing to allow them to grow and to hide the roof of the adjacent neighbouring house. The existing plan very much closed off the house to the south, where the afternoon sea breezes blow in from. We decided to open this side of the house up, using a double sliding door with a retractable fly screen to allow 2/3 of the opening to be completely open, allowing the cooling sea breezes to flow through and provide excellent cross-flow ventilation. The waste created by the construction industry contributes an estimated 1/3 of the world's overall waste. An ethos of our practice is to preserve and retain as much of the existing building fabric as we can on projects without compromising the design. In this project, we employed several strategies to drastically reduce the amount of waste, such as repurposing the existing ensuite as the guest powder room. By keeping the toilet in the same position, we removed the need to cut up concrete for new pipes and plumbing, which reduced costs and also waste. Many of the existing internal walls were retained. We also used existing window openings in the main entry the new extension, as well as the original north-facing opening, which we replaced with sliding doors. An existing building doesn't have to be ripped down and rebuilt again from the ground up to improve the quality of the building. Existing materials can and should be reused and retained where possible to ensure the waste created throughout a build like this is reduced. Point Lonsdale House is a testament to how even small changes can have a significant impact on the functionality and livability of a home.